guys? It's another delivery day. I'm honestly not going to intro this or anything because I really don't care. There's tons of videos out there that cover the delivery day experience. But really, this is a spec. It's a black on white. It's pretty clean. It's like mine, except mine's pink now. And I will say, you guys probably care about the build quality, right? Tesla build quality, whatever, not important, but you guys care about it. Honestly, this car's phenomenal. If you want to take a look around, there's no swirl marks or anything. There's no dents. There's no imperfections in the paint. If you look at the panel gaps are literally pristine. It's kind of strange because I expected it to be far worse, but honestly, it's really perfect. I can't complain. Everything, the fit and finish is perfect. We'll get onto the inside of the car in a second here, but look how beautiful this car is. You guys should definitely get this spec. I like to call it the tuxedo spec. The black on white, super clean, super nice. You know, Tesla's paint, at least the black paint, is a really, really, really dark shade of black. I love it, but let's get into the inside. This is a no-no. Look at the trim, guys. There's a lot of residue from the buffing compound likely. And honestly, no, just the nature of a car. It wasn't gonna be perfect. This ain't a Rolls Royce. You know, honestly, I do see a little bit of swirl marks here and there, but that's the nature of Tesla's paint. So, you know, is what it is. But overall, pretty satisfied. Guys, the time has come. The car only came with this adapter piece, right? It did not come with the mobile connector kit, which is extremely unfortunate, but it's okay. We're peasants, so we definitely deserve that. I did notice videos online where they had changed the door card where this piece is now felt or something of the sort and not plastic. But so mind you, this car was ordered in March. It is now basically August 31st, and this is still like plastic. And this is just a Model 3 standard range, so that is something that I'm making note of. So if you guys are expecting it, I'm not sure if it's gonna come just yet. And again, no floor mats, standard range gang. But man, the interior is really nice. The car was delivered with 12 miles. Well, we just actually picked it up from the service center. So for those wondering how much mileage the car is gonna have, likely it's gonna be somewhere between 10 and 15 miles, unless of course you take home delivery. But this is not my home, this is the Tesla center. That's pretty much it for this delivery video. It's kind of cool to see the car on the right was what the car on the left was initially. So it's kind of like a before and after transformation. The spec is exactly the same. They're both standard range cars. They both have the LFP pack. The one on the left has the older LFP pack. The one on the right has the newer one. But all in all, it's a great vehicle.